everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to paint with one of my favorite paints. That is Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint. So the reason I love Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint is it only contains a couple of ingredients, it's non-toxic, and it adds so much charm to your finished product. I went thrifting a couple of weeks ago and I found this adorable Windsor chair. It had beautiful bones, but I wanted to put my own mark on it. And so today I thought I would take you along that journey of me painting that chair. So if you want to see how to use milk paint to transform outdated furniture, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to bust out your paintbrush and start trying out some new techniques of your own. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.